Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to make fade effects in Canva. So for this you have to go to the start button, then you have to search for the Chrome, and when you are in the Chrome you have to make sure that you are going to the canva.com, and here you can see the canva.com. And once you are in the canva.com you have to click on create, then you have to click on videos, then you have to choose the video size that you would like to create. After that you have to click on the video. Here you can see you have already video is made it, and then what you need to do, you have to choose a video or you can also upload it. So for example, I would like to check this video from here, so I would just simply drag it to in this place. And if you play it, here you can see the video is already running here, and here you can see the video is already running. So let's wait a couple of seconds according to internet speed, and then what you need to do is just add another page here. So let's say I would like to add another page, and let's make the background color to black. So for example, I'd like to black, and then here in the middle you have to move the cursor to middle, then here you have to click on the add transition from here. And once you click on that transition, so for example I'd like to go for the dissolve here. So if you click on the dissolve, and now if you play it, here you can see the dissolve is already will be added. So here you can see the welcome to my channel, and here we go the dissolve option here. And you can also change the duration. So for example, I'd like to make it to 1.5 seconds. Now it will be last longer. Then here you can see the video is already here, and here you can see the video that dissolve fade is working for last longer. And if you would like to make it that it should not last longer, then you can just decrease it, and here you can see now. And if you click on it, now you can see the transition will not last longer. Here you can see the transition is more fast now. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.